Welcome to Tergar Learning, a platform where you'll find the resources you need to learn to meditate and deepen your practice. You may choose between two options: the Joy of Living training for a secular learning experience, or Vajrayana Online for a traditional Buddhist approach. Our courses are designed to provide an intuitive user interaction to make the learning process easy and engaging. You'll find captivating teachings by Yongey Mingyur Rinpoche. Watch his videos, listen to the audios, or read the transcripts. Take notes while you study, save them for later, and go back to them by clicking on the My Courses section. Reinforce your knowledge and take the brief quizzes after the main teachings. You can also practice guided meditation with the Tergar Instructors and adapt them to any 10, 15 or 20-minute practice sessions that fits better your schedule. Plus, you can keep track of your practice through the Tergar app. Follow your progress in the course as you complete each section. Take part in discussion forums on particular topics and interact with other students. We encourage you to participate in group webinars where you can ask questions and listen to answers of common interest. You also have the option to request an individual interview with a Tergar instructor, where you will have the opportunity to ask your own questions about your practice and path. Finally, go to the My Courses section, where you'll find all the courses you are currently taking and the ones you have already completed. We think you're gonna love it.